Hello everyone sa ating series na Solve Problems from Simple to Complex. Nandito na tayo sa ating example number 3. Ito ang Basic Rules of Differentiation. Meron tayong ginawa na lecture video. Pakicheck na lang ang link natin sa description. Kailangan nating isolve ngayon ay the derivative with respect to x ng y is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3x plus 7. For this example, medyo mas mabilis na yung discussion natin. If you want to look for a more detailed explanation ng concepts, pwede nating balikan yung example number 1 and example number 2. Detalyado lahat yon step by steps. For this example, we will be solving it na iisipin natin na yung mga concepts ng Basic Rules of Differentiation ay somehow mas familiar na tayo. So we have this. So applying the derivative operator both sa left side at sa right side ng ating equation, dy over dx is equal to derivative with respect to x nitong nasa right side. And then, next, kung mapapansin ninyo, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. And then they are separated by subtraction and addition. This is why sum and difference rule of differentiation is applicable. So, pwede natin gamitin yung derivative operator dun sa apat na term ng magkakahiwalay. So, doing that, derivative with respect with x ni 2x cubed, then negative ni 5x squared. Susunod tayo kay 3x and then kay 7. So, hiwa-hiwalay na yung consideration natin. And then, we have a constant. And then, minultiply natin sa variable natin. We have x cubed. Same here, 5 multiplied to x squared and 3 multiplied to x. So, we will be using the derivative of constant multiple. Ilalabas natin lahat ng constants natin. It will be 2 derivative with respect to x ni x cubed. And then, minus 5, nilabas natin si 5, derivative with respect to x naman ni x squared, and then si 3 naman yung nilabas natin, derivative with respect to x na tira sa loob ay si x. And then, we have this variable x raised to a constant. We have variable x raised also to a constant, and then we have variable x raised din sa constant, which is 1. So, applicable ang power rule of differentiation, and then this is just derivative of a constant. So using that, so we have this 3, the power rule, ang gagawin natin ay ibababa natin sa exponent tapos babawasan natin to ng isa. So here, ibababa rin natin si 2, babawasan natin ng isa, and then ibababa natin yung exponent nito which is 1, and then babawasan natin ng isa. And then derivative of a constant is just 0. With that, so ito ang nangyari. So, yung exponent na 3 napunta na dito, exponent na 2 napunta na rin dito, and then yung exponent na 2 na 1 is napunta na rin dito, and then all of the exponents, binawasan lang natin ng isa. Continuing, we have here, algebra na lang, simplification. So, we have 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, and then, we have here x raised to 0. So, any number raised to 0 is just equal to 1. So, this will become equal to 1 by 0 exponent. So, this will become dy over dx is equal to 6x squared minus 10x minus 3. And that is our final answer.